This is the video tour of Kamin Street, apartment 11. You walk into the apartment. It is a studio apartment. Have a decorative fireplace. Nice windows to the street. Your kitchen to the side. Good cabinets. Sink and oven. Get it from this angle. There's a closet right there we'll check out in a second. This is the apartment. And your closet. A little wider than the actual doorway to the closet. Okay, and right when we came in is your bathroom. Get the light on. Sink, toilet, towel rack, nice standing shower. Okay, that's Kamin Street, apartment number 11.